Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with different attachments using Gmail and Google Sheets. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on Gmail. Now we will draft an email. In the top left corner, click on Compose. In the composing menu, you don't need to add any recipients, just add the subject to your email. In the email body, first type your greetings, then type the first underscore name and the last underscore name inside brackets. Gmail will automatically fetch the data from your sheet later when it sees the bracketed text. Take a new window and open Google Sheets in it. Create a blank sheet and add the following column headings: first underscore name, last underscore name, email, attachment, and merge status. Gmail and the Mail Merge tool will pull data from these columns automatically. Now enter the details of the people you want to email. For this example, we'll add 2 entries. After that, go to Extensions, go to Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons. Search for Mergo, Mail Merge. This is the add-on that we are looking for. Install the add-on normally. Click Continue and grant the necessary access so the extension can send bulk emails. After installing, refresh the page and go to the Gmail page. Here you can see that the Mergo add-on is showing. Click on the Mergo Mail Merge extension and select Mail Merge. You'll notice that your draft email subject is automatically detected. To link the sheet, click on Add Recipients, then In a Google Sheet. In the pop-up, select the sheet that we just created. Here you can see that the add-on has taken data from the sheet. Change the sender name if needed and enable the Track Emails option to monitor sent messages. To attach personalized PDFs, click the 3 dots and choose Add Personalized Attachments. You can only select the attachment from your Google Drive. Click on Select and choose a folder from Google Drive. Now go to Sheets and in the Attachment column, type the name of the file you want to send. You can add the same or different files, but as long as they're in the same folder, it will work. Finally, click on Send Emails. Now click on Grant Permission, log in again to grant the permission. After you are done, you will see the delivery report on the Gmail page and in the Sheets also. Mergo will now send emails to all the addresses listed in your sheet. Open the recipient's inbox to check the result. You'll see the email has been received. And that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.